Hey guys, welcome back to another Python tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a variable in Python. So let's open up our IDE, which of course you know mine, Visual Studio Code. And we already have a file here. I don't need that, and I'm just going to quickly create a new one, and I am going to call it variable.py. Remember, the .py means it's a Python file. Anything else, it's not going to really work. So let's clear this. We don't need that there. And now the first step in creating a variable in Python is the name, because, well, every variable has to have a name. So I am going to call this my variable. And now that this is the name of the variable, but right now we have a little error, and it's saying my variable is not defined. And that's correct because we have not defined it or assigned it to any value. And that's kind of what a variable is. A variable is just a name, if you want to consider it, that holds a value. Or a container also. You can kind of consider it as a container that just holds a value or several values. So in this case, I have a variable, but it doesn't have any value to it. So to assign it to something, we're going to type in equals, which means we're assigning a value to it. And now we can assign literally any value. But for the simplicity of this video, I'm just going to assign a string, and we're going to call it, or we're just going to put Silas in there. You could put literally anything. You could put cookies if you really want to, or you could pick or put donuts or anything, money. But we're just going to put, actually we'll put Python. There we go. We'll put Python. And now in the last video, I showed you how to run or print something to the terminal and run a Python file. In this video, we're going to practice that again. So we're going to print, and instead of printing the actual literal or string Python, what we can do is put the variable name in the print statement right here. And this, if we run this, should print Python. So if we run it, boom, there we go. We got Python. So that's pretty impressive. This is how you create a variable, and this is how you print it to the terminal. So you can literally print any variable to the terminal, and it will work. So that means if we have my variable, if we change it to Python is cool, if we run that, we should get Python is cool. And that's exactly what we get. So that's how you print and create variables. If you want, you can also create another variable, call it my variable 1, and Python isn't cool. Don't believe that one. That Python is cool. I like it. It's like one of my favorite programming languages besides probably C++. But if we print this as well, so now we're printing two variables. We're printing the first one, and we're separating that with a comma. Then we're printing the second one. So if we run both, it says Python is cool and Python isn't cool. And there we go. That is how you make variables in Python. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video helped you. And please like and subscribe.